All right, wrapping up summertime, August, kids are about to go back to school, but I'm just starting this project. I dropped a video a few days ago about this 73 Toyota pickup I picked up on Facebook Marketplace for about $450. It has a title, it's a complete truck. The front clip was just kind of ratchet strapped to the front. The grill and stuff were just tucked inside the cab. I just now pulled the doors off and pulled the seats out to help shed some weight so I could push it into the garage. The bed is just kind of floating back there. It's not bolted down. So I'm curious to know, how quickly can we do a restoration? Now, I'm not talking about making this thing a show truck. We're not taking it to SEMA. It's not, we're not trying to win any trophies or medals or awards or anything. It's probably not even going to go to a show. I'm talking about getting a truck back on the road, driver quality, something that will still turn heads, that people will still appreciate when they see it. Still going to have nice paint. Inside will still be nice looking. But just kind of going back original with this thing. So I want to see if I can set some sort of record for myself and my shop for doing a body off restoration. So what we've got so far, here I made a note: restoration time, procurement took about 2 hours to go, grab the thing and bring it home and get it off the trailer and see what we're looking at. So my list here on the Hilux is we've got to completely disassemble it, prep the frame and get it cleaned and painted, rebuild the brakes and the suspension, rebuild this 18RC engine, do some metal work. It's got a little bit of rust and some dents. Body and paint, we're still going to keep to the golden rule of no more than 1/8 inch of body filler. Give this thing a new wiring harness and a refurbed interior. So I want to just submit like a ridiculous number and say that I'm going to have all that done in 100 hours. I don't know. Let's find out.